welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Eileen, and this is Eileen Ashley is Red Hot and Flashy. So if you came from TikTok, you know this is the Mikayla X Glamlite Paht 2 mini palette giveaway. Hopefully you came over from TikTok and Instagram, because I'm going to put this there too. And for those of you that just are subscribed to my channel or found me on YouTube, thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to let you know how you can get your hands on one of these palettes. I have two to give away. So it's super simple. You're going to go over, you're here. You're going to make sure you are subscribed to my channel. You are going to like this video, and then I need you to comment in the video telling me that you have subscribed or you are a subscriber and that you would like to enter. Those that are already subscribed will not automatically be entered. So make sure you put a comment that says you'd like to enter. And somebody is going to, or two people are going to be selected at random to win one of the palettes. Today's look is from her palette. So you have until October 14th, 11:59 p.m. to enter. And then I will be announcing it on October 16th, which would be that Sunday. Easy enough, right? Good luck to everybody. Bye.